Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Here's your political news roundup for Tuesday, August 9th. A much-awaited announcement from the Federal Reserve Bank today and a volatile session on Wall Street. The Fed said its time period for exceptionally low interest rates will extend to mid-2013, but the Fed gave no hint of any new moves to stimulate the economy. That helped send the stock market sharply lower. The Dow was up more than 200 points going into the Fed announcement, but within minutes after it was more than 60 points into the red. It bounced back modestly, then turned sharply lower. Much of the financial world was waiting for the Fed decision, looking for hints of what the central bank might do to calm the financial waters. Major stock markets in the U.S. and around the world have plunged as worries about the economy and America's credit strength have been in focus. We should get a sense today of what voters in Wisconsin think of the policies of Governor Scott Walker. No fewer than 6 recall elections are underway. That's the most ever on a single day in the country's history. 6 Republican legislators who supported Walker's move to restrict public worker union bargaining rights are up for recall. 2 Democratic lawmakers face their own recall elections next week. To take control of the legislature, Democrats have to win at least 3 seats today and retain the 2 seats next week. Texas Governor Rick Perry seems to be doing everything to point to a Republican presidential campaign except making an official announcement. Perry heads to Iowa to address the state's Black Hawk County Republican dinner in Waterloo. That'll be just one day after the declared candidates take part in the state's presidential straw poll on Saturday. And overseas, British Prime Minister David Cameron is getting tough to restore law and order on the streets of London and elsewhere. Cameron says he'll put an extra 10,000 police on the streets to crack down on violence and looting that's been plaguing the city since Saturday. He's called an emergency session of Parliament as well. Just one person has been reported killed in this violence, and police say they've started a murder investigation there. In the past 24 hours, the violence has spread beyond London to other regions, including the city of Birmingham. The violence broke out Saturday as part of a protest over a police shooting, but quickly devolved into what Cameron is calling pure criminality. About 450 people have been arrested. That's your political roundup for Tuesday, August 9th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.